Hi, welcome to Server Central. My name is James, and in this video, it's just going to be a brief kind of trailer sort of video to tell you about what this channel is going to be about and the type of content you can expect to see on this channel. I'm also going to include a couple of the goals that we're going to be trying to reach with this one and a little bit of information about me as well. So first, some of the topics with this channel. The main topic, as you can probably tell by the name of the channel, is going to be serving, and it's going to basically cover anything that has to do with serving in a restaurant environment, and other restaurant related jobs as well. So this could include bartending or even busing or dishwashing or hosting or kind of anything restaurant related. It's kind of what this channel aims to provide information for. This could include topics such as what a server makes in a night, the most annoying thing about serving, or even something like, what's a food runner versus a server versus a breaker. And some of you, if you work in the restaurant industry, you might know what those things are. You might be thinking, why am I watching this video? What's the point? Why would I watch this channel? But it's not just going to be those videos. There could be some videos that are posted here that can kind of help you out in a way or two, because there could be a tips and tricks video from a experienced server with 20 years of experience, who has some insight that you might have not have known about. So there's going to be other content on here as well that could interest you, and there's also going to be content that'll interest people who maybe don't serve or would like to know more about something that they maybe have had questions about. So for example, people who eat out all the time, maybe they're wondering it's 4 o'clock and I just sat at my table and my server said hi to me and they were with me for 5 minutes, and then a different server came and they're helping me out now, and I'm really confused, why couldn't I just keep the first server? So questions like that are going to be kind of answered for anyone who has questions like that. And speaking of questions, if you do have any questions or comments or anything like that, you can post them in the comment section below or on the side or wherever they are on your screen. Post them in the comment section. I'd say that's the best area to post questions or comments or concerns or whatever, because those are the ones that I will be going through the most as much as I can. So those are going to be the main topics of the channel, and if there's any one-off videos, kind of like maybe some crazy big current event comes up and we do a video on that, that could be a possibility, but the main thing is going to be serving related videos. Some goals for this channel, I'd say the main goal is to just provide thorough information and make our videos as high quality as possible. That's going to be the main goal of the channel. And the other goal of this channel is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So I think it's a pretty attainable goal. It's not a really super high number and it's not really super low number either. 1,000 people is a significant amount of people. So, but I think we're going to be able to reach that goal if we set our mind to it and work hard and we keep consistent with the upload schedule, which I'm about to tell you right now, we're aiming at 1 video a week. We're already 2 weeks into the year. So that's going to be about 50, maybe 49 videos, but no less. I'm going to say we're going to shoot for 50 videos by the end of 2020. So could be more. Some weeks we might throw in an extra video or something like that. We'll just have to see, but I don't want to go below once a week. So we're going to stick to that and make sure the content is interesting and relevant and helpful and quality, because quality before quantity. So if there are, I'd rather spend a whole week on a video to make sure it's high quality versus, trying to pump out 2, 3, 4, 5 videos a week that aren't going to be as high quality. So that's kind of the mindset there, and we're going to definitely see how that works out. Alright, and then real quick, we're going to cover a little bit of information about me. So my name is James. Currently, I'm a server at the Cheesecake Factory, and I serve in California. So, obviously serving in different states or even different countries can kind of affect the wages and the work environment. So that is going to play a factor, but we're going to dive a lot deeper into working at the Cheesecake Factory because in another video. We're gonna do that in another video, not in this video. But overall, it's a great place to work. I'll just say that. A little more info on me. couple things I like to do in my free time. I like to play video games. I like to hang out with my girlfriend, play board games with my roommates, and spend time with my family and celebrate holidays and stuff like that. Don't really go out too often, and well, this will all make sense in a different video about me. But yeah, I think that should kind of cover everything to kind of get started. But yeah, we're shooting for 1 video a week, so you can definitely expect that here on this channel. And I appreciate, if you are watching this right now, appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And if this channel sounds like something you'd be interested in, you know, might be worth taking a look into once we start posting more videos, which the next video is coming out next week. So yeah, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.